students, again I am taking the fifth chapter of the class 12 physics, magnetism and matter, and today's my topic is magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. So as we know, according to the Bohr's hypothesis, electrons revolve around the stationary nucleus in a circular orbit. So this is the electron revolving around the stationary nucleus. The charge on the nucleus is Z. Z is the atomic number and E is the electronic charge. And V is the velocity of the electron. So electron is revolving in anti-clockwise direction around the nucleus. So a single electron, the motion of single electron cannot constitute any current. वो कोई भी current constitute नहीं कर सकता. But if the speed of the electron in the orbit is very high, it can be considered as a current. So current is equal to I is equal to dq over dt. I is equal to dq over dt, and q is equal to dq is equal to minus e upon t. So I is equal to minus e upon t. So here is the negative sign. So direction of the current can be considered opposite to the direction of the motion of electron. तो जिस डायरेक्शन में इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व कर रहा है उसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में क्या होगा, करंट होगा, बिकॉज I is equal to minus E upon T for the electron. So if the current is anti-clockwise direction, current will be in the clockwise direction. So motion of the electron around the nucleus can be considered as a dipole, magnetic dipole. So magnetic dipole की तरह करेगा, तो magnetic dipole होगा, magnetic dipole की तरह behave करेगा, तो क्या होगा, उसका डायपोल मोमेंट भी होगा, एंड डायपोल मोमेंट इज गिवन बाय I is equal to A. Dipole moment is equal to I into A. A is the area of the loop. So here area of the loop is equal to area of the this orbit, plane of the orbit, and this is equal to pi r square. So equivalent current will be I is equal to Q upon T, E upon T. T is the capital T is the time period of revolution, and this which is equal to the time taken by the electron to complete the one revolution. So E is equal to 2 pi r upon V. On solving, I is equal to EV over 2 pi r. So ये इक्वेशन हमें मिल जाएगी यहाँ से. So therefore orbital magnetic moment mu L is equal to I into A, pi into A. Putting all the values, I की value रखेंगे. A raised pi r square. On solving, we get mu L is equal to EV r over 2. And this is the first equation. ये क्या होता है? First equation होती है. But in 11th we have studied the another formula of angular momentum, that is mu L is equal to MEVR. M is the mass of the electron, because again L is equal to R cross P, that is R MEV, because momentum P is equal to M into V. M here because due to the electron, mass is m, mass on the electron, mass of the electron. So L की वैल्यू हमें निकल आएगा यहाँ पे. L is equal to, we have taken the 90 degree here angle, so MV R. So on dividing these two equations we get this ratio mu L upon L. Mu L को हम L से divide करेंगे, so we get this the ratio of mu L upon L, and which is equal to E upon 2me. ये क्या होगा, E upon 2me होगा, and this is known as gyromagnetic ratio. ये gyromagnetic ratio होता है, इसकी वैल्यू कितना है, 8.8 into 10 to the power 10 kg per coulomb. So this gyromagnetic ratio confirms the Ampere's hypothesis, which tells atom has magnetic moment. तो atom है, magnetic moment होता है उनका, according to which the properties of magnetic materials can be explained. So ये रेशो क्या होगा, एम्पियर हाइपोथेसिस को प्रूव करता है experimentally, on the basis of which we can explain the magnetic properties of magnetic materials. So further इसको solve करेंगे, mu L is equal to E upon 2me into L. L से simply multiply कर देंगे यहाँ पे. In vector notation, mu L vector is equal to negative sign E upon 2me into L. E upon 2me into L. Here is negative sign. अब ये negative sign क्यों है? So because रिवॉल्विंग इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज डाइपोल, मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल, और मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल होगा तो मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट भी होगा, and the direction of magnetic dipole moment is given by the right hand thumb. So according to which, if we curl the finger of right hand in the direction of current, current की direction में अगर हम उसको curl कर रहे हैं, then Snell's thumb gives the direction of dipole moment. So dipole moment की direction क्या होगी? This is the fingers in the direction of the current, and Snell's thumb gives the direction of the dipole moment. So dipole moment is perpendicular to the plane in downward direction. इस डायरेक्शन में होगा कि dipole moment की आपकी डायरेक्शन आ गई. Similarly angular momentum की डायरेक्शन होगा, angular momentum is r cross p, the cross product, and the direction of cross product is given by right hand thumb rule again. So if we move our finger from first vector to the second vector, then Snell's thumb gives the direction of the cross product. So this is equal to L, L is equal to r cross p. So ये upward direction में होगी. So L और M both are in opposite direction. So that's why we put here negative sign. इसलिए हमने यहाँ negative sign रखा है. But according to the Bohr quantization condition, the electrons revolves only those orbit in which the angular momentum is the integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. So integral multiple will be h upon 2 pi. Here n is the 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is the principal quantum number. So on putting this value, equation number 3 में रखेंगे mu l is equal to and mu l is equal to n this is the angular momentum, this is the dipole moment of revolving electron due to its orbital motion in the nth orbit around the nucleus. So nth orbit में dipole moment due to the angular momentum, खाली अभी तक हमने angular momentum orbital motion ही consider किया इलेक्ट्रॉन का. So mu l is equal to m e h upon 4 m e pi. m is again mass of the electron. तो ये फॉर्मूला आ गया nth ऑर्बिट में हम डाइपोल मोमेंट इलेक्ट्रॉन का कितना होता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू? इसकी मिनिमम वैल्यू कितनी होगी? डाइपोल मोमेंट की मिनिमम वैल्यू कितनी होती है? और मिनिमम वैल्यू of dipole moment of electron. इलेक्ट्रॉन की डाइपोल मोमेंट की मिनिमम वैल्यू पुट n is equal to 1. So that is mu l. Here is it becomes mu v, and this is eh upon 4 pi m into e, and it is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Ampere meter square. So this is the minimum value. ये आपका मिनिमम वैल्यू है इलेक्ट्रॉन का ऑर्बिटल मोमेंट का और मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट का. mu v, mu l becomes mu v. This is equal to h upon 4 pi m e. E की वैल्यू approximately 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Putting the value of Planck's constant, here h is the Planck's constant. h की वैल्यू क्या है? Planck's constant है 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, and 4 3.14 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. This is the mass of the electron, and mu v approximately comes 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24. 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 ampere meter square. तो मिनिमम वैल्यू होती है and this is known as here mu b is the Bohr magnetron. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Bohr magnetron. So Bohr magnetron is the orbital dipole moment associated with the electrons in the first orbit of the hydrogen due to its orbital motion. तो ऑर्बिटल मोशन की वजह से फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में जो मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन का, दैट इज कॉल्ड बोर मैग्नेट्रॉन. सो इट इज द मिनिमम डाइपोल मोमेंट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो ये तो बोर मैग्नेट्रॉन हुआ एंड दिस इज द डाइपोल मोमेंट ड्यू टू द ऑर्बिटल मोशन. अब स्टूडेंट्स, ऑर्बिटल मोशन के साथ में इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या है? स्पिन भी करता है. लेकिन इलेक्ट्रॉन डज नॉट हैव एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन, जस्ट लाइक अर्थ है ऑफ टॉप. अर्थ की एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन होती है, टॉप का एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन होता है. बट इलेक्ट्रॉन इज एन एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल, सो इट डज नॉट हैव एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन, बट इट पॉजेस स्पिन डाइपोल मोमेंट. तो स्पिन एंगुलर मोमेंटम. So due to the spin angular momentum, so I got like this equation, mu s spin dipole moment, spin dipole moment, mu s is equal to minus E over ms and into s. So s is the spin angular momentum, capital S is the spin angular momentum, and total dipole moment is equal to mu is equal to due to the orbital motion, that is intrinsic dipole moment, spin dipole moment, and on adding we get E upon twice m E. This is L plus twice s. So due to the spin, so spin intrinsic moment mu s is equal to E upon ms. This is the s is the spin angular momentum, capital S. So total angular momentum will be mu is equal to mu l plus mu s. ऐड करेंगे, mu s की वैल्यू यहाँ से लेंगे, mu l की वैल्यू यहाँ से लेंगे, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. So we will get the total dipole moment of the electron, revolving electron around the nucleus. तो इस तरीके से हम क्या निकालते हैं? टोटल डाइपोल मोमेंट की वैल्यू निकालते हैं. This is the expression of the magnetic dipole moment of an electron revolving around the nucleus. Thank you.